So how do you build a key transition plan? Well, this plan is likely going to look a little different than you think. What we've found after doing this for the last 30 years is that an actionable key transition plan typically addresses implications in 5 areas. Hiring. Who will you need to bring in to bring the necessary attitudes, behaviors, cultural norms, and skills, and also bring the VOPS balance you need for the ABCs to take root? Performance assessment. How will your operating metrics change? What developmental steps need to be taken for those in the old organization to succeed in the new organization? Number 3 is deployment. How can you move the employees within the organization from a short-term basis, from minutes and months, to help prepare them for the transition? How can you move your key players as quickly as possible to begin making progress and earning some early wins? 4th is mentoring and coaching. Who are those employees within your organization that are most likely to embrace the change and thrive in the new organization? How do we pair them up with others to coach and mentor them so that they're capable of the change and more likely to make it through this difficult time? And training. What new teachable skills are needed? What current skills do we have that we can leverage to make the transition as seamless as possible? So let's round out our Kodak example with a strategic plan for these 5 areas. First, hiring. We've got innovative web developers leveraging the processor and visionary styles. We've got B2C marketers leveraging the synergist and visionary styles. And we've got customer service agents leveraging the synergist and operator styles. Performance assessment. We need to focus on developing the capacity for flexibility, openness, and change. Deployment. We need to create opportunities for all our employees to meet customers face to face. We can include the development team in the support workflow, for example. Mentoring and coaching. Let's implement reverse mentoring to allow younger, more tech-savvy employees to help the older, more experienced employees embrace the technological change. Let me do that again. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going. Right there. In this tech support workflow. Then there's mentoring and coaching. We can implement reverse mentoring to allow younger, more tech-savvy employees to help the older, more experienced employees embrace the needed technological changes. And finally, training. We need to train all our willing sales staff to sell B2C. We need to train willing manufacturing employees to work in customer service. Now, we've covered a lot in a lot of detail, but it's important to note that the output of this process, the plan itself, should not be overly detailed. Quite the contrary, we've found that the level of detail in a plan is actually inversely proportionate to the team's ability to execute on the plan. So if you'd like help identifying your key transitions or building a plan, then I'd encourage you to find a Scale Architect near you using our directory at scalearchitects.com/directory. These individuals specialize in helping organizations attain, sustain, and regain predictable success, and they are ready to help you do just that.